Mirra Andreeva is a Russian professional tennis player. She was born on April 29, 2007 in Krasnoyarsk, Russia. Andreeva made her WTA Tour main draw debut at the 2022 Jasmin Open after receiving a wildcard for the singles event. However, she lost in the first round against 6th seed Anastasia Potapova in a 2 hours and 33 minutes three-seater. In January 2023, Andreeva reached the final of the girls' singles at the Australian Open, eventually losing to doubles partner Alina Korneeva in 3 sets. Andreeva is the younger sister of fellow professional tennis player Mirra Andreeva. They were both born in Krasnoyarsk but eventually moved to Moscow for training. Since 2022, she and Mirra have trained at the Elite Tennis Center in Cannes, France, the former training base of Daniil Medvedev. At the 2024 Australian Open, she defeated Bernarda Pera and next 6th seed Ons Jabeur, her first top 10 win, to reach the third round on her debut at this major. At age 16 and 263 days, Andreeva was the youngest player in the Open era to hand a top 10 seed a first set bagel at a Grand Slam. She was also the second youngest player in the Open era to lose fewer than 3 games against a top 10 seed at a Grand Slam. The youngest was Jelena Dokic when she defeated world number 1 Martina Hingis in the first round of 1999 Wimbledon. In the third round of the Australian Open, Andreeva defeated Diane Parry after trailing 1-5 in the final set and saving a match point on her own serve at 2-5. At the Brisbane International 2024, Andreeva won her first 3 matches to reach her first WTA quarter-final, taking out the 4th seed and top 20 player Ludmila Samsonova and wildcard Arina Radionova along the way. At 15 years of age, ranked number 194, Andreeva received a wildcard into the main draw of the WTA 1000 Madrid Open and won her first WTA Tour match against Leylah Fernandez. With this victory, she became the third youngest player to win a main draw match at a WTA 1000 tournament, behind only Coco Gauff and Cici Bellis. Moreover, Andreeva was only the second 15-year-old to defeat a top 50 opponent at a WTA 1000 tournament, with Bellis being the first in 2015. Next, she defeated 13th seed Beatrice Haddad-Mia for her first top 20 win to reach the third round, becoming the 7th youngest player to defeat a top 20 opponent before the age of 16 in the 21st century. Andreeva made her Grand Slam debut at the French Open, qualifying for the main draw and then defeating Alison Riske-Amitraz in the first round to record her first major win. Next, she defeated wildcard Diane Parry to reach the third round for the first time at a Grand Slam. As a result, she became the youngest player to reach this milestone since 15-year-old Cecile Karatancheva in 2005 and the 7th player in the past 30 years to reach this stage at Roland Garros before turning 17.